In front of me is Emporia SMART Mark Point 5, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. All you need to do is select the first app that you wish to use in this view and open it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top and select split screen from the pop-up. Then just select your second app that you wish to use. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!